and it blows your way. Whatever will you do when the rain starts to fall? Will you join the swallows and fly away to the citadels of Europe across the sea? Tell me, where would you go away without me? Tell me, where would you love me? Would you leave me? Would you leave this land that's green, where your home straddles the earth? Leave the winds and the blessings of the bushland. You are a child of Africa, you are a wilderness. You are a jungle juniper, you are a flame lily. And as you walk in a foreign land, the songs of a road can ring. Oh, how they sing! And that melody will haunt your days like falling autumn leaves. The bees are buzzing in your honey mouth, and I have drawn the water from your well. The deep rushing down while the night birds call, and the waters washed me on the inside. Wisps of the willow fall from your hair, dreams and leaves of sorrow bequeathed to you by the deeds of your fathers, hidden from your view. But in the north, the thunderclouds would judge you. But you will always be a child of Africa, always the wilderness. And the sorrow that stirs your heart inside is the dust of the regiments. But one day the skies will clear and eagles fly above those you left behind. Oh, tell me, where won't you stay a while with me? Bless this water, bless this land, give us food to eat. Let our herds span the hills, let them graze in peace. If soldiers march across our fields, give them eyes to see. The children singing in the sand, songs in the north wind. And we will praise your name, we will praise your name. And one day the skies will clear and eagles fly above those you left behind. Oh, tell me, where won't you stay a while with me? Stella waba dalaba, Stella lewadom taba. 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 Oh, bless this water, bless this land, give us food to eat.